Guys, welcome back to the channel. I want to give you a very warm welcoming. Thank you for joining in. Okay, so as you can see in the description, I will be putting up number plates for my car. Actually, as a lot of my friends and family and some of the people that follow me have saw, I don't have plates on my car at all, and it's quite dangerous because it's actually illegal. So anyway, I bought number plate holders. What I like about these, it's got like a light here at the bottom. I will be in the future take out this plate and put something else. I don't know yet. Maybe as well that with the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube at Vicky Boosted, maybe I can put it here underneath as well. But I'll do that later. And then here's the wire so that I can give it power. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this on the driving lights at the bottom, and then when I switch that on, this will come on as well. And then yeah, while I'm busy with that, I'll also put on my license holder as well, obviously because it needs to correspond my number plate with my license disc number. Okay, so I'm going to get started with this. I'm going to get the tools that I require, and yeah, let's get it done. As you guys can see, it's quite nice and hot outside. I wonder if I shouldn't bring the car more to the front, but the reason why I put it like this is so that, as you can see, there's not much space underneath the car to work. So if you see on the left hand side, there's a bit more of a gap whereby I can get to the lights and get underneath the car to the wiring, so I can connect my number plate to that. One of these bottom lights will still see what will be the easiest and the fastest way. Alright guys, this is what I'll be using. I'll be using pop rivet gun, a drill with a 5mm drill, because the head of the pop rivet is 5mm, then my number plate, my license disc holder, and probably some thinners and cloth as well to remove the old license holder. And then as well, I enjoy using gloves. It's a lot of protection. You also protect your hand from anything that can maybe injure you or anything, but yeah, I like to work with gloves as well. So I'm going to start by removing my number plate itself, and then I'm just gonna line the number plate holder up with where I want it. Then I'm gonna mark it. I'm gonna drill the holes for the two pop rivets. I'm gonna pop rivet that, and then I'm gonna put the number plate in it, and I'm also gonna pop rivet drill holes through here into the number plate, and then pop rivet that as well, so they can't steal it, or if they do steal it, it's going to be a bit difficult. They're going to have a challenge in doing it. So I'm going to put the camera up so that you can see what I'm doing. I told you what I'm going to do in theory, so now I'm going to do it practical. Bye. Alright guys, as you can see, I finally installed my own number plate holder. I still want to figure out how or to where this wiring is going, because I did put it through a hole here in the bumper, but I can't see that it's going out here or maybe in the inside. So I'll just quickly trace it, and then we'll carry on from there. So yeah, as you saw, there was two big holes, one this side and one that side. Luckily I did drill a hole through it first, and then only one side, and then I did put the pop rivet inside, but unfortunately the bumper itself was too far away from the hole, so it managed to pull through. So what I've done is just drill a hole next to the number plate where it's flat with the surface, and then I pop rivet it there and here again. And then this side I didn't pop rivet it yet because I don't think it's going to work if I pop rivet it, because as well there's a space between here and the number plate itself, so it's just going to pull through the plastic. Only if it's flush it will work, but yeah, so I don't think I'm going to pop rivet it as it's not easy putting it in and out. So yeah, I'm going to leave it there for now, and then we'll see in the future if they're going to steal it or not. But anyway, so I'll quickly sort out the wiring. I'll just check where the wire is going, and then I'll quickly wire it, and then we'll carry on from there.
Bye. Bye.
Alright guys, as you can see, the number plate now it's done. The lights is working. Let's switch it off back now. So I'm just gonna put the wiring back underneath the cover. I'm gonna clean up here, and then I am done with the number plate. That's finally done. And then as well my license desk holder. So yeah, that's gonna be it guys. Thank you for watching, I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, don't forget to like it, and then if you want to see more of my content, please do not forget to subscribe. I know the videos that I'm posting now might be a bit short, but at least I just want to do everything I do. I want to show you guys what I'm doing, every change that I'm doing, so you guys are also being updated and know what's going on, and I don't do something that you guys don't know of. So I really do apologize if it's something small, but like I said, everything that I do I want to show you guys. So yeah guys, thank you very much, I really do appreciate it, and then I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.